Hi guys, welcome back to Natural Beauty Secrets. Today I will show you how to make a skin whitening rice face scrub at home. Why scrubbing is important? Scrubbing gives you clean skin free from dirt, oil and sweat, helps in removing dead skin cells and add natural glow to the skin for smooth skin. Before going to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Natural Beauty Secrets and press the bell icon. Then you will receive all the notifications from this channel. To make this scrub, first we will need some uncooked rice. You can use any type of rice. First of all, wash the rice properly. Wash the rice properly because we should remove all the impurities, dirt and sand in this rice. Now keep the washed rice aside for a while. Then take a cup and add 1 teaspoon of tea powder to it. Next add boiling hot water to it and make a tea from it. Now keep it for 10 minutes to boil it properly. Take a mixture grinder and add the washed rice to it. Add the amount that you are required to make a scrub. Now you should add some tea from the prepared tea. Now grind it. Don't grind it too much. Rice should be small pieces. Like this. Add it into a bowl. Our scrub is ready to use. Let's see how to use it step by step. First of all, you should steam your face for 5 minutes. Now take the scrub and gently scrub your face using it. Do it for 15 minutes and remember to scrub in circular motion. After 15 minutes, wash it off with normal water and apply some aloe gel. Do it one time per 8 days. Rice scrub cleanses and exfoliates your skin without irritating it. A natural rice scrub can smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, treat uneven skin tone and blemishes, control excess oil secretion and help brighten your skin complexion. I hope that you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below the video and thank you very much for watching.